Hey guys, I'm excited to share the best bike headsets in this video. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Muxy082 Headset. Muxy Bicycle Retro Headset is a high-quality headset designed for 1-inch fixed-gear racing bikes and road bikes. It features a durable construction and smooth operation to enhance your cycling experience. With a 22.2mm diameter, it is compatible with most standard frames. The headset is made from lightweight and robust aluminum alloy, ensuring strength and longevity while keeping the overall weight of your bike low. The headset is equipped with high-quality bearings that provide smooth and precise steering control. These bearings reduce friction and enhance the responsiveness of your bike's front end, allowing for more accurate handling and maneuverability. Installation of the Muxy Bicycle Retro Headset is straightforward thanks to its user-friendly design. It fits securely into the head tube of your bike frame and can be easily adjusted to achieve the desired tension. This allows for a customized fit and ensures optimal performance. Number 4. Kosevlo Headset. Kosevlo Cycling Mountain Bike 28.6mm headset is a durable and reliable headset designed specifically for mountain bikes. It features a 28.6mm diameter, making it compatible with most standard mountain bike frames. Constructed with a steel material, this headset offers excellent strength and durability. The steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it suitable for rugged off-road riding conditions. It can withstand impacts, vibrations, and various environmental elements, providing a dependable solution for mountain biking enthusiasts. Equipped with high-quality head bearings, the Kosevlo Cycling Mountain Bike Headset delivers smooth rotation and precise steering control. The bearings reduce friction and ensure optimal responsiveness, allowing for accurate handling on challenging trails. They provide stability and enhanced riding confidence, enabling riders to navigate technical sections with ease. Installation of the Kosevlo Cycling Mountain Bike Headset is straightforward thanks to its user-friendly design. Number 3. Act A3A 243 Headset. Act A3A 243 22.2mm bicycle headset is a high-quality headset designed specifically for 1-inch fixed-gear racing bikes and fixed-gear road bikes. This headset is an essential component for smooth and precise steering control, providing optimal performance for your bike. Constructed with a durable and lightweight aluminum alloy, this headset offers excellent strength and longevity while keeping the weight of your bike minimized. The aluminum alloy material also provides corrosion resistance, making it suitable for various weather conditions and ensuring long-lasting reliability. Equipped with high-quality bearings, the A3A 243 headset ensures smooth rotation and enhanced responsiveness, allowing for precise handling and maneuverability. The bearings reduce friction, contributing to efficient power transfer and a seamless riding experience. Installation of the A3A 243 22.2mm bicycle headset is simple and hassle-free. It securely fits into the head tube of your bike frame, providing a stable connection between the fork and the frame. Number 2. Viron Headset. Viron Bicycle Headset 4455 ST 4456 ST CNC is a high-performance headset designed for MTB, mountain bike, applications. This headset is suitable for both straight and tapered tube forks, with sizes ranging from 1 1/8 to 1 1/2. It is specifically crafted to provide smooth steering control and enhance your off-road cycling experience. With its CNC machined construction, this headset offers exceptional durability and precision. The CNC machining process ensures tight tolerances and high-quality craftsmanship, resulting in a headset that can withstand the demands of rough trails and intense riding conditions. Equipped with sealed bearings, the Viron Bicycle Headset 4455 ST 4456 ST provides excellent protection against dirt, dust, and moisture. The sealed bearing design enhances longevity and minimizes friction, allowing for efficient power transfer and responsive handling on the trails. The installation process of this headset is straightforward, and it includes all the necessary components for easy assembly. Number 1. BXT Headset. BXT Bike Headset is a versatile and high-quality headset designed for both MTB, mountain bike, and road bikes. It is compatible with frame headsets that have a tapered design and a size range of 1 1/8 to 1 1/2. This headset offers exceptional performance, durability, and functionality, making it a reliable choice for cyclists. Featuring a straight bearing design, The BXT bike headset provides smooth and reliable steering control. The bearings ensure seamless rotation, allowing for precise handling and maneuverability on various terrains. Whether you're tackling rough mountain trails or cruising on the road, this headset delivers a responsive and enjoyable riding experience. Constructed with top-grade materials, the BXT bike headset offers excellent durability and long-lasting performance. It can withstand the rigors of off-road riding and endure the demands of high-speed road cycling. This headset is built to last, providing you with a reliable and dependable component for your bike.